Hey guys, so in a previous video I put together this close-up fingerboard and I mentioned that I needed to make something to skate it on. This close-up fingerboard is right at 100 millimeters, which is roughly an eighth of the size of a regular skateboard deck. The problem with that is most tech deck fingerboard ramps and other fingerboard ramps aren't made to scale like a regular ramp would be to a regular skateboard. So I'm going to challenge myself to make one that is to scale. So I want to scale down a 8-foot wide by 3-foot high mini ramp. One thing I wanted to do with building this ramp is to keep it cheap. So for materials, I'm using foamboard and posterboard that I got from the dollar store, as well as some paper straws for the coping that I also got from the dollar store. So the total material cost here is $3. That's not bad. I have no idea how this is going to turn out and how skatable it'll be, but we're going to give it a shot.
Hello everybody, welcome to the joy of ramp making. Most happy little ramps are made from a cycloid, which you get from rotating a circle on a surface and tracking one single point. Then you can trim it, add a frame around it, separate it out to have a flat bottom, and you've got yourself a nice little ramp. But actually I'm going to do it a little bit different. So I'm going to do it with a circle of some radius r, finding the point at 45 degrees at the top of the ramp. At this point, we need to determine what r is, which we can use some math to find on the unit circle. We want the total height to be 3 feet, which means we can solve for the radius of 10.25 feet. And the length of that curved part is about 7¼ feet. With that known, we can start laying out the full measurements of the ramp. So the 10¼ foot radius, the 3-foot height, the 7¼ foot length, add a 2-foot platform and a 4-foot flat bottom, makes it 22½ feet total. Once we have all the dimensions, we can scale that down 1/8 and convert it to inches. And hopefully at the end of this, we'll have a nice happy little ramp for us to play on with our tiny little skateboard.